Welcome to Hometown Honeys, where we explore remote areas, looking for that unicorn. People say the most beautiful women are in the city. They're wrong.
I spent the day going to Cardona, looking for that gem in the rough, and I found lots of them, and I was surprised, and it was a very beautiful trip. And I hope you'll join me on this one. This is a POV version of that trip, and you all have a nice day and enjoy the show.
So we're gonna be live streaming and recording at the same time. This one. We're gonna go through this town and see what it's got to offer. I'm gonna walk up one street and walk up the other street, and we'll see what's going on. Okay. I think I got a good signal, and I better get me some. Okay, I think I got everything. How many people with me right now? 0. Okay, let's do this. So we're in Cardona. We're seeing what kind of action they got going on around here. It's a small town. It's near the mountains, and I think it's pretty cool. Once I get across the street, we're gonna go get videos of these little hometown honeys I just saw on the side of the road. Now, guys, don't get all this wrong. Hey, what's up? Don't get all this wrong, okay? Oh crap, they already crossed the road. Did they? Did they not? Oh no, they're not. They're right there. Good. Okay, don't get this wrong. Although they look, well, that looks pretty cool. Although they look extremely young, a lot of times they're not, which is shocking, you know what I mean? Shocking to the bone.
I will be translating to you guys what these girls are saying and what I'm saying to these girls, okay? So don't worry.
Miss, alam nyo saan sa Taytay?
Taytay po.
Taytay.
Malayo pa po.
So, saan dun?
Tawid po kayo, tapos sakay po kayo ng tropical.
Tropical?
Okay, basically I asked her where Tatay Rizal is, Taytay, whatever you want to call it. And she says, just go down the street and then you need to make a right on Tropical Street.
That's Taytay po.
So, doon sa Taytay, saan sa Binangonan? Ito Binangonan?
Hindi po bayan.
So, saan sa Cardona? Doon?
So I asked her, if this is Taytay, where is Binangonan? And she says, you are in Binangonan. And I go, okay.
Dito po.
Ilang kilometros?
Ay, hindi ko lang po.
Sigurado? Pupunta ako doon.
Then I asked her, where's Cardona? And she goes, to my left or to her right. And I go, down the street, how many kilometers? She says, oh, about 5 or so, or 10 maybe. And I go, okay. Anong gawa nyo dito? My pool hall, my dance hall, wala? Then I asked them, is there anything to do around here, like dance halls or pool halls? And they said, no, there's nothing to do here. Oh, that's sad.
Wala? Oh. Parang boring, di ba? Nakatira nyo dito?
Sa bayan.
So, bakit dito kayo?
May pupuntahan po kayo.
Kaibigan or?
I asked them, where are they from? And they said, just a little bit down the ways from here, but they're not directly from here. And I asked them, what were they doing there? And they said, oh, they're just waiting for a friend.
Oh, okay. Wala kayo sa eskwela na yun?
Tapos ako sa
College?
yes.
Kala ko high school nyo. Batang mukha talaga. Swerte may batang mukha, di ba? Thank you, ha? Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Okay, being it was a weekday, I asked them, you guys aren't in school? You're supposed to be in school. They said, oh, we don't have school. We're students. I go, students of what? They said college. I go, college? Oh, my God, you guys have the face of children. You know, you look like kids. And they go, oh, yeah, I like that. And I go, oh, my God, that's shocking. So, all right.
All right, y'all see that? Cute. Let's see if I got some. I'll get something. I'll get them some more. water because they look like they're thirsty. Man, I got all kinds of excuses, don't I? Yeah, I'll get them some water. That's a good idea, man. Get them some water. What the hell am I thinking? Do they have cold water here? Absolutely. Oh, screw it. Yeah, water's safe. Yeah, I'll get them some water. What do y'all think? Water, huh? Because I'm a good guy. I'm so sneaky, it's not even funny. Hello. Magkano yun?
32.
Huh?
32.
32.50? Hopefully meron ako bariya. 20, 20, 25, 30, 32, 30. Yan, tama. Huh?
Sobra na, sir.
Sobra? Sobrang nosebleed? Can you speak English, baby? Marunong ka English?
Konti lang.
Konti lang? Marunong konti ako lang Bisaya din. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna get these girls some water. Check this out. Just to keep the conversation going. Mga ale, thirsty kayo? Ito sa tubig, okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Ingat ha. They're so cute. All right, well there you go. That's how you have to do a voiceover with the GoPro, which I can do that. Anyway, Cardona is a town right by the river. Y'all see it? They got all kinds of anybody from Cardona, shout out, comment below if you all are familiar with this. If you all are from here, shout out. I'm here in your little town checking it out. This place is my idea. You see the mountains over there? See that right there in that area? That's where I usually go to go on road trips to Marilaki. That means Manila, Rizal, Laguna, and Quezon Province. That's what that means. So we are in between. We are situated between what you call that? Angono, Binangonan, and Rizal. So this is Cardona. So excuse me for a minute. We might have a signal loss, and if I do, then sorry about that. Whoever's on here with me. This is usually the place where I don't know what that is. That person has lots of money to go build a mansion in the middle of the rice field like that. But anyway, so I can see why this place is the coolest place to hang out, because it's really cool. Oh, and I thought there was water down there, but there's not. So I'll let this car by. So this is a really cool place that all the kids like hanging out. It's basically lots of wind here, and you got Lola over there pulling some mangoes from a tree. Feel sorry for the person that walks by. Is going to get their head split open. Mango falling on top and splitting their head open. I think she needs help. I think I'm going to go help her out while she live streams me. Lola, ano ba yan?
Ano po, kamatili?
Oh. Well, galing mo. Galing mo ganyan. Galing mo gawa. That's tamarind, huh?
Ay!
Alright, oh, that's not tamarind. What is that? What is that?
Kamatili.
Oh, chili? Pwede kumain?
Pwede.
Pwede kumain. Kumain mo.
Ha?
Kumain mo. Nako, gandang mukha mo. Parang video mukha.
Talaga?
Oh, ganda, diba? Patingin. Wow. Bait. Gandang mukha, di ba? Kompletong ngipin. Kompletong. Look at I told her she had full set of teeth. That's funny as hell, man. That's a cool ass place. Now you guys, you know, you hear a lot of the expat bloggers. You know what I mean? I am the expat blogger. I am the expat blogger. You know what I'm saying? All these other expat bloggers, what do you want to call them? You know, between me and you, their content is kind of boring. You know? That's my opinion. I'm the one doing content. It's boring. All you see is the same old nonsense, going to their stupid resort, going to their stupid houses, not even their, they don't even own the houses. The Pinay does. They're just walking, they don't even know it, but these guys are walking ATMs, you know? The Pinay is just, not all of it, but a lot of the times the Pinay is using them for money, but they're too stupid to figure it out. But that's okay. Hey, more power to the Pinay, right? Shit. The poor girl probably had life, you know? As long as she's not, you know, hurting anybody, who gives a crap, right? Well, that's how I look at it. So, it's a cool little town. So, if you guys fall in love with a hometown honey, this is the place to do it. You know? A place like this. They got a lot of cute girls here. I gotta cut in. There was a bunch of people down there at the basketball court, and it's full of places to eat. I think I can cut through. May dahanan dyan sa basketball court? Wala, dito lang? Okay. No, you can't go that way, bitch. You gotta go down to the basketball court, you dumbass. Okay, that's cool. Anyway, let's get back to the subject of expat vloggers. Dude, come on now. I just don't get those guys. They're posting bullshit.
Almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.